going on, everyone? I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I finally am bringing you guys some updates here on the business that I've been running, my 3D printer business, which is Toolbox Organizers. You guys can check them out at osmosessentials.com if you guys are new. That's pretty much what this channel is about, as well as troubleshooting issues with 3D printer materials and how to upkeep your printer. I do a lot of things like that. In this video, I just wanted to update you guys on where I stand on my business and what's going on. To quickly sum it up, a lot of the postal services have been going on strike, which has been really difficult for me to ship products out. In the meantime, I decided to do a lot more brainstorming of new products, as well as upgrading the studio and organizing it a lot better. So I'm going to let the video play out. I hope you guys enjoy, and there's a giveaway at the end as well. Okay, so here is the finished product of the shelf. Finally completed, everything's organized. We have the main 3D printer with the AMS here, and as well as where I take the product pictures. I know this is not the greatest setup, but it's what I got for now. I'm actually gonna be updating the website. I'm trying to switch over everything from the black background to the white. It does look a lot better. I wanna get rid of all of these and exchange them with products that are actually in different color and with the white background. I feel like it'd look a lot more professional and a lot more better. I guess I can show you guys really in depth what I got going on here. I do print out in ABS filament because it's got really good high temp resistance and very durable plastic. It's strong. You actually do need an enclosed printer in order to print this type of plastic. So that's why I do have the Bamboo Lab here, the P1S. I also have a vacuum kit up here. This actually keeps the filament nice and dry. I've made a little video about it as well. It actually works really great. I have not had to buy a dryer or anything. Everything has been printing out in pretty good quality. If I have any issues, it's mainly just the bed plate, whether it's not sticking to it properly or the temp is not high enough. With that being said, I have all the colors laid out here. I do buy bulk when it comes to the filament, straight from Bamboo Lab. It's fairly cheap if you buy it in bulk. And you can actually buy it without the spools as well. So if you have enough spools, you just start buying the filament rolls and it's perfect. And of course, we got the printer, we got the lighting mod. Nothing's new has changed with the setup that I got. It's been working fine. I know Bamboo Lab came out with a new printer. Would be cool to get, it's pretty expensive, but this one's working me for now. Of course, we have the waste bucket down there. I have yet to think of what to do with it. So I decided to buy one of these. I think it was like $60 on Amazon. It's a photography photo shoot box, product box. I noticed that a lot of the pictures on my site just did not look appealing at all, especially with the old setup that I had.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
It was definitely not a good setup. This one actually has a bunch of different options too for the colors of the lights. You got kind of like a yellow, both, and then almost like a white kind of look. So this made the images way better. As you guys can see, I'll put it up on the screen. The site has been changed a little bit too to make it easier to navigate. I thought that would be an important thing to do, especially with products. I feel like having an easy navigation screen and the photos actually look pretty decent. It will bring in a lot more people too. This will be for all the creators that watch my videos. I know I do a lot of videos on the 3D printer and maintaining it, troubleshooting issues. A lot of you guys watch those videos. Those are my most popular videos, which is why I'm giving away the A1 Mini carbon fiber build plate with extra, I guess, the mats that stick onto it. So that is for you guys. You guys got to just go down below. And also you guys get a chance of winning the back probe kit and a complete set. I used to sell these in just the trays, but now on the website they are being sold as a complete set. So you can actually buy a full back probe kit on my website. This one will be given away to one of you guys. Once again, just make a purchase on the website and you get a chance of winning one of these sent to you guys.